All right, step number one. Hold up. Got to move the chair. Woo! I got you there, bitch. All right. Well, step number one is think about it. Legitimately think about it. Think about what you're good at. All right. Let's say I'm good at drawing. Okay. Drawing. All right. Drawing is a passion. It's already a fucking passion because you're fucking drawing. You're using your imagination. You're using your head to create something on a blank sheet of paper. Drawing is a good fundamental tool when it comes to finding a passion or something, a hobby or passion. We need to tell the difference of what is a hobby and what is a passion. So a hobby basically is you're doing something to take time away, like video games, fucking watching TV, um, fucking driving your car out on the highway, just relax, or like speed up if you're into like racing and shit. Let's see, fucking collecting Supreme fucking DVDs or whatever you collect. That will be considered hobbies. All right. Now with a passion is something you do literally every single fucking day in and day out. For example, like fucking playing guitar because you want to become a musician, or painting and drawing because you want to become an artist and put your name out there. Uh, YouTube streaming, same thing. You want to put your name out there, and you have a determination. You have a fire in your heart to keep on going and pursue that said passion. All right. So now that we can tell the two between a hobby and a passion, let's get down to it. All right. So first things first. When finding a passion, you just gotta take a few steps back, relax, take a deep fucking breath, and just think. Just think, hey, what can I be good at? What could be something that I can use as not only an outlet, but as well as something I can make something out of, have a purpose. Because a lot of people out here these days, they don't really have a drive, to pursue something, whether it's music, whether it's fucking basketball, whether it's whatever the fuck it is. They don't really have a drive because usually they have a job, school, fucking whatever it may be. They always find an excuse. Like the most excuse I always hear is I don't have time. All right. Saying I don't have time is basically telling people I don't want to. Because everybody in this goddamn world has 24 hours. You just gotta use it wisely. I use my 24 hours wisely. Sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I sleep in, sometimes I don't do my workouts, sometimes I fuck up. Everybody has those days. Everybody have gloomy days. But that's all fucking okay, because guess what? I have a passion to make YouTube videos somewhat daily, stream every day, fucking work like that's basically what a passion is. So that's step one. Just take a step back, breathe, think about what you want to do. One of my favorite movies was Fight Club, starring Brad Pitt, and I forgot who played fucking hold up. I actually have the fucking this right here. Yeah, Fight Club. This is my favorite fucking movie. I got the Blu-ray edition. 10th anniversary Fight Club. Forgot who fucking Edward Norton. There you go. Or that's just the character. No, Edward Norton and Brad Pitt. All right, my bad. Should have known that by now. But in one of the scenes, Tyler Durden, the what Brad Pitt is playing, he gets a gun and they go to a liquor store, like yeah, liquor store, and basically they take the fucking cashier out in the back. Uh, freaking the Edward, I forgot his fucking name. Damn. And I say it's my favorite movie, but like Edward Norton, Brad Pitt, they go out in the back and they point a gun at the cashier's head. And Brad Pitt was like, "All right, what do you want to do in your life?" Like with the gun, like pointing at the dude's head, and the guy was all like, I want to become a veteran, pet nurse, basically." And he was like, "All right, so why aren't you, working and trying to pursue to be a pet nurse?" And he was like, "Oh, because my family, I gotta provide for my family, and I have this job, and yada yada." Basically, giving um Tyler some excuses, and Tyler was all like, "Nah, bro, fuck that. By tomorrow, you're gonna pursue your way to become a pet nurse, or else I have your driver's license, I have your address. If you don't do it within a month, I'm gonna kill you." And that's what I like to think about every fucking time when I try to pursue something, is that gun pointed in my head. But I already know what I want to pursue. It's fucking YouTube. That's why I'm over here talking to you guys and fucking doing it. It's fucking lint on my fucking shirt. But yeah, I always think of that scene. Always think of that scene because when I watched Fight Club, I didn't really pursue YouTube as like a passion. I didn't have that drive until I saw that scene in Fight Club. Good fucking movie. I highly recommend watching Fight Club. The book, however, not so much. Doesn't really have an impact than the movie, because they changed some things, but most definitely watch the movie. So step number fucking 2 is, all right, so make your passion into an outlet. Make your passion into an outlet. So what I mean by that is, when you're thriving for your passion, you also want to make it fun. You want to have an outlet. Basically, you want to take the time to step out into reality and just focus on mastering that craft. Whether it's, like I said, with painting, it's a good example, because with painting, you're using your imagination, you're using your mind to create something on a blank piece of paper. As well as with music, whatever the fuck it is, you're using your imagination and mind. That's what people lack of these days, is fucking imagination. Right? Remember when you were a kid and you just got to ceiling, like fucking daydream, and like just think about like fucking like rainbows and shit. Like, I don't know if I have ADHD. I might. I haven't really gone to a doctor yet to see what the fuck's going on with my head. But I think a lot of fucking crazy things. But most of the time I just like fucking play video games and fidget with my hands, like, not like fucking this. No, we're not talking about that. Like fucking nunchucks, fucking balisong, fucking throwing knives, fucking a fucking tech deck. Right? I have a fucking tech deck right here. Like, I have a fucking tech deck, and during school, this will be like my outlet from the Matrix. The outlet from the Matrix is do fucking tech deck, or whatever the fuck it may be. Use your passion as an outlet. Outlet and passion. You want to combine those two together, because once you combine those two together, you are focused. You are in the zone, baby. You are going with the flow. You already have that flow mentality, and that's what you want. Because let's say a video flops. Let's say your painting flops. Let's say the book you write it fucking flops. Right? Most of the time, people will just fucking give up, and just like abandon their passion, their outlet, or dream. But what people don't understand is the consistency. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And fucking lifts. I used to have braces back in the day, but got fucking lifts. But the consistency, the flow. People lack that nowadays because if a video flops, if whatever the fuck they're doing flops, they just automatically give up, and that's okay. That is okay to give up. All right, it is okay to give up, but it's not okay to quit. All right, listen carefully. It is okay to give up, but it's not okay to quit. All right, keep fucking going. Keep fucking going and see where it takes you, and then once you keep fucking going, you're going to think to yourself, hey, do I really want to pursue this? Do I really want to thrive for this? Do I want to fucking make this into a reality of becoming an artist, a musician, tennis player, basketball player, whatever the fuck it is? Do I see myself doing this for a living as well as having fun with it? And if you say yes to all of those questions, fucking pursue that shit, man. Who fucking cares if your video flops? Who fucking cares if your book flops? Who fucking cares if you lost a match? As long as you have that thrive, that drive to keep fucking going, it's gonna be okay. Because next thing you know, you're gonna win. You're going to win because that's how the universe works. Once you keep practicing and practicing and practicing, you're gonna get fucking good. You're gonna get fucking good. And that's why I keep telling people to have a passion as well as an outlet. Because with those two together, you can become the most coolest, most badass person anybody has ever seen. You could be the next Mike Tyson. You could be the next fucking Drake. You could be the next, whatever. It's fucking amazing. That's why always, always, always use your passion as well as an outlet as well. That way you're solely focused and you just fucking you fuck life in the ass like that. But yeah, man, that's my advice of how to have passion. How to have passion, how to have a outlet, as well as comparing a hobby and an outlet. I'm not smart, okay? I think I'm dumb as of a bag of rocks, but that's what a hobby, a passion, and outlet means to me. But leave some comments below. Tell me what it means to have a hobby and a passion or whatever, and I will read it and give my reply. But hopefully this helps anybody. Like, if this video helps somebody, that's fucking cool. I did my fucking job. But yeah, man. Till then, love you guys. Peace out. Cool videos are going to come next year. I already said this is my last video, but I'm saying it again. Cool videos next year. I promise you guys. I want to pursue YouTube 100%. I want to try new things with you guys. I want to pursue this shit. YouTube's fucking fun. Anybody should try this. YouTube is fucking fun. It's like cocaine to me. Fucking try YouTube. But until then, yeah, love you guys. Peace out.